In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a website on GoDaddy. If you have a site that you no longer want visible to the public, or you just want to temporarily take it offline while you make updates, GoDaddy gives you a simple way to do that directly from your website settings. I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to manage. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is typically where your account options and settings are organized. So it's the right place to begin when you want to manage anything connected to your products. From your profile section, click on My Products. This page shows the services and tools connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains, hosting, and your website products. Take a moment here to find the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Next, locate Website plus Marketing. This is the product area where your website builder and related tools are managed. Once you find it, click Manage. This will open the controls for that specific website and bring you closer to the settings you need. After that, click Edit Website. This takes you into the website editor where you can adjust content, design, and site settings. Even though you may think unpublishing would be outside the editor, this is actually where GoDaddy places the option, so this step is important. Now you're at the point where you can see the Unpublish option. When you find it, simply click it. This will remove your website from public view, meaning visitors will no longer be able to access the live version of the site online. Before you do this, it's a good idea to remember that unpublishing does not necessarily delete your website. It usually just takes it offline, which can be helpful if you want to come back later and make changes before publishing it again. That makes this a useful option if you're redesigning your site, updating information, or pausing your online presence for a while. Just make sure you confirm any prompts GoDaddy shows you during the process. Once completed, your site should no longer be publicly visible. And that's it. That's how to unpublish a website on GoDaddy quickly and easily.